Hey there, I'm Chris Ponick, Certified Public Accountant, Certified Coach, and the host of the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast. And I want to welcome you to this new series that I'm doing on this podcast. My intention is to drop one of these additional episodes every Monday while I continue to provide you with the regular Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast episodes, which will continue to help you take control of and understand your business finances with topics that ultimately impact your bottom line. I have many business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals who listen to this podcast, and I want to get more help out there for individuals like you when it comes to mastering your mindset. I'll be taking a few moments each week to touch on topics that many high-stress professionals are dealing with and provide solutions to help you increase your overall well-being. Because I know your time is valuable, just like the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, my goal is to keep these episodes short and straight to the point, but full of useful information to help you succeed in not only your professional life, but your personal life as well. Setting boundaries can be tricky. And once you set a boundary, it's so important to make sure that you're following through with the boundary that you set. Setting boundaries is not about threatening someone or telling them how they should behave. Setting boundaries is all about following up with your own actions. Boundaries are about what you'll do if someone does something that you don't give them permission to do. It's about saying what you will do if this person continues to do the behavior. Quite a few of my clients think that when they say no to something, that this is setting a boundary. Saying no to something is allowing yourself to tell someone how you truly feel about the situation. If you feel yourself having trouble saying no to something, just know that if and when you say yes and you really want to say no, you're not telling the truth or you're lying. You're not telling the truth about what you truly want or don't want to have happen. How many times have you said yes to something when you were thinking about how much you didn't want to do it? I think this is one area where we all struggle a little. But learning how to say no and doing it in a graceful way is an option that's available to you at any time. We all know how to say no to something. You never have to say no to something and do it in a negative way. You can say no and feel good about it in the process. Did you know that you can even say no without offering any explanation? You don't have to say yes to something just because you're worried about what they will think about you. The true test here is that you want to ask yourself how you're feeling when you say yes or no. Do you feel good about what you tell people? If you don't feel good about what you say, you'll immediately feel negative about the situation, and that probably means that you're not telling the truth. This is when you'll find yourself people-pleasing or telling others what they want to hear rather than what you are feeling, often to get them to like you. Can you think of a time when you said something to someone just to please them, when, in fact, you were having all kinds of negative feelings about the situation? Learning how to say no will also help you say yes to the things that you really want to be doing in your life. Be honest with yourself and how you want to respond to situations in your life, and watch how much your life can improve by simply telling the truth about how you're feeling. If this topic resonates with you, don't wait. The rest of this episode is waiting for you inside my free private podcast, Mastering Your Mindset Moments. It's created specifically for business owners, accountants, and high-stress professionals just like you. People who are done feeling overwhelmed, burnt out, or stuck in survival mode, and are ready to live a happier, healthier, and more fulfilling life. When your schedule is packed and the pressure is high, it's easy to lose sight of why you're working so hard. Inside this private podcast, I share quick, powerful mindset and productivity tools that you can apply right away, even during your busiest seasons, to reduce stress, reclaim your time, and enjoy the life that you've worked so hard to achieve. It's free to join, and you'll get instant access when you go to financialadventure.com/private. Don't put this off. This podcast is your shortcut to meaningful results in just a few minutes a week. Your next step towards feeling more in control, less overwhelmed, and finally enjoying a more balanced lifestyle again is only one episode away. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals where you're listening to this podcast.